Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install OneAmerica Insurance easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install OneAmerica Insurance, begin by visiting the official OneAmerica website. Once on the home page, locate the Insurance tab in the menu. Hover over the tab to reveal a drop-down menu. Choose the type of insurance you're interested in, such as life, health, or retirement. Click on your selected insurance category. You will be directed to a page with detailed information about that insurance type. Scroll down to find the Get Started or Apply Now button. Click the button to proceed to the application process. You may need to create an account if you don't have one. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once your account is created, log in using your credentials. After logging in, select Start Application for the insurance product you chose. Follow the prompts to fill in your personal information. Be sure to provide accurate details about your health and lifestyle. Review the terms and conditions carefully before proceeding. Once you've completed your application, submit it for review. You may need to schedule a consultation with a OneAmerica representative. Check your email for any updates regarding your application status. If approved, you will receive details about your policy. To finalize the installation, follow any additional instructions provided. Keep a record of all correspondence for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.